What if I tell you that you will start making at least $3,000 per month from YouTube in the next 3 months? Yes, that's right. To achieve this, all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. You can start making thousands of dollars from YouTube by creating and uploading animated stories, kids' songs, and nursery rhymes. Introducing Autodraft AI, your Canva for 2D animations, using which you can create great quality animated outputs without any technical expertise, nor needing to subscribe to 10 different tools. Let me show you how. For creating an animated story, you will need 1. Script, 2. Voiceovers, 3. High-quality backgrounds and consistent style, 4. Character and its animations, 5. And an editor to compile, customize, and export in 4K. You will get all of these in Autodraft AI. To use Autodraft AI, you just simply go to the internet and search Autodraft AI and then click on the first link that you see. Once clicked, you will land on the Autodraft AI homepage where you will find the highlight of all the features, from script generation to 4K exports, all in one place. To log in, you have 3 options: Gmail, Facebook, and email, and a password. You can choose either of these as per your choice and log in. Once logged in, you'll land on the project page where you will see an option to create projects, your projects, video tutorials, and consistent style models. Let me create an animation project like this. Once the project is created, you'll land on the animation canvas. Here on the left-hand side, you will see various different AI features needed for animations. There are features for characters, image generation, video generations, voiceover and sound effects generation, thumbnail generation, text to animated characters, and many more. On the right-hand side, you will find various controls, and at the bottom, you have a timeline. Now let us start with voiceover options. Here you will find voice cloning, sound effect generation, text-to-speech and speech-to-speech options with Life AI voiceovers. To generate from text, just simply copy-paste your dialogues in this box, then choose the voice of your choice from our pool of options. In a few seconds, your voiceovers will be ready, just like that. Now, sometimes text-to-speech outputs might be a little low on emotions. In that case, you will record your dialogues in your voice and with desired emotions. Once done, I will upload the file here, choose the voice of my choice, and boom. Your voice will be ready to roll. You can also clone your own voice by uploading a sample here. I will show the sound effects generation feature with image to video feature, so stay tuned. Let's check the AI background generation. So first, you just go onto the internet and find a suitable reference image that you are looking for based on your script. Once you find a suitable reference image, either you can take a screenshot or download this image, then upload this particular reference image in the reference image section like this. Once uploaded, you can choose an aspect ratio. Then there are 3 options: image stylization, storyboard image, and sketch image. We'll choose image stylization, generate a prompt. It will analyze the reference image and give you a prompt. And once generated, you simply click on generate. You will see the outputs getting generated down below here. For sketch to image, you can find a suitable sketch from the internet, or you can draw your own sketch. Then it's the same process. You take the reference image, upload it here, then choose an aspect ratio, choose sketch to image mode, confirm, then generate the prompt, and then you hit the generate button. Similarly, we'll try with storyboard to image now. To generate storyboard to image, you take a very rough sketch of your background, like the one that I'm taking. It does not have a lot of defined lines, just the basic structure. Then you choose storyboard to image, confirm, generate a prompt, and then you get the final output. As you can see, these are the outputs. You can see the before and after images for image stylization, storyboard, and sketch to image. Now let us try and create backgrounds with layers. So to create backgrounds with layers, all you need to do is just take different parts of your background, like a hut or a building, tree and sky, and so on. Then we will simply take their reference images separately, perform image stylization on them. And once you are done with the image stylization of these parts, we'll remove their backgrounds. Now, let us place the character first. We'll do the path for it to walk from point A to point B. We'll increase the length of the animation on timeline. So right now it is walking straight from right to left. Right? Once you are ready with the layers of your backgrounds, you will simply click on Edit from here, and you will see these options. You'll simply choose BG Remover and remove the background of it. After a few seconds, this particular object's background is removed. Once removed, you will simply add your background to your animation canvas like this. As you see on the timeline, the background 0 is the base background that we've added. Then we've added the fairies character. Then we've added another background layer. So the character will walk from behind this particular layer as in background in this case. So similarly, you can create layered backgrounds for your animations. To make your animations more dramatic and cinematic, you also have an option to generate and add animated backgrounds. Now, let me take a train station's reference image, perform image stylization on it, and click on the Edit button shown on the image. You will see various options like AI Video, BG Remover, Eraser, Day-to-Night Converter, etc. Let me choose AI Video. Here I want my train to move past the station, so I will just write train passing as a prompt and generate. Meanwhile this is generating, let us create a train passing sound from our AI voice section. Click on Sound Effects, write train passing prompt and select duration of your sound and generate. Both our generations are done now. Let me add them to the canvas. Looks cool, ain't it? Now let us check the AI animations. Simply go to the character section, search for the kind of character that you're looking for, and simply click on any of these characters and you will see hundreds of animation samples like these ones. So no need to rig any of your characters, just drag and drop. Now simply take any of these characters, you will find various poses of a character like front, side, back, etc. Search for the animation that you're looking for, then you will place your character accordingly, and you can set it up in your timeline. Now you see an option of path. Path will be used when you are creating animations like walking animation, then your character will walk from point A to point B. So if you click on path, your point B will appear. You will place your point B and then you simply be able to see your character walking from point A to point B. You can also do the path for your backgrounds to create an establishing shot or zoom in or zoom out shots. In addition to animations, you will be able to apply various controls like lip sync, eye blink, and various expressions from our control section. Let me show you for this particular character. Cool, right? You will also be able to apply secondary animations to your characters like this. Next, we'll see AI character generations. AI character generation, you will get multiple different character structures here. We'll keep on adding more structures in future. You choose a specific character structure, generate a prompt like this. Once the prompt is generated, you'll also be able to make some changes to it, and then you simply hit generate. On the right-hand side, you will see your character generations and the history. Character is generated. You will be able to see this. If you like, click on Next. If you don't, you can discard and regenerate. After you click Next, you will be able to see customization options where there are eye packs. There are hands and lips options. Then in Editor, you will be able to edit your character, each and every part of your character like this. So all you need to do is just upload your own character-related part if you have one. So every part of this particular character's body is editable. Accordingly, you can choose and customize your character the way you want. You can click on the hand icon and pan your character. You can switch on the skeleton mode to exactly see how your character is fitting. If there are some parts if you're uploading and they are not perfectly setting up in this particular bone structure, then you will have to see and adjust it accordingly. In Preview, you will be able to see all your character-related animations if they are looking good or not. Then you save your character. Your character will be visible in your character section. You simply click on it. All these animations will directly be applied on your AI character. So it's a simple way of generating text to animated characters. Now we'll see this AI character in action. Looks pretty good to me. Now let us see how you can upload your own characters. To upload your own characters, simply go to our character section and click on the edit button from the top. And an editor will open. Here you will be able to replace all your character parts with this particular character's parts. Accordingly, you can replace our template characters with your own characters. All animations will perfectly fit into your characters. You'll also be able to see it in Preview if it is fitting well or not. So each of the body parts of this particular character is editable. So one by one, you can upload your character's part on our template character, and your own character will be added over here, which will stay private to you only. It will not be public like our template characters. So if you are planning to upload your own character, then all you need to do is just have your character cut out into these kinds of parts which we have shown over here. Once you are ready, you can see all your previews and then you save the character. Once saved, you will be able to see your character in our character section. All animations will directly be applied on it. Okay, now we will see how to edit the template characters. We already have added some characters over here. And if you just want to modify a few things like clothes or body proportions, then all you need to do is just go to our character, click on edit, and download the part which you want to edit. I'm downloading all hands-related parts. I'm downloading the torso. Now I'll be able to edit these parts in any other software. We'll also add these editing features in Autodraft itself, so stay tuned. Once edited, all you need to do is just click the character part, and then you simply upload the edited part right here. So we added the torso. Now we are just replacing that torso with this one. Similarly, you can edit each and every part of this particular character, and then you'll get a new character. You will be able to see it in your previews. Once ready, you simply save the character, and all these animations will be applied on your characters. Just like that, your edited template character is now ready. Now we'll show you how to change the clothes. We simply go to the character, click on Edit button, and then you download the specific character parts which you want to modify or change the clothing of it. So I downloaded torso and hand-related parts. Then I'll take these parts into any other software and edit the clothing structure and so on and so forth. And once edited, I'll upload their PNGs or replace their PNGs with our existing template characters' PNGs. So you got yourself a brand new character just by downloading the template character parts and editing in any of your softwares. You can see in preview all parts are fitting perfectly as expected, and this character will be saved, and this will stay private to you. Nobody else will be able to see your particular model, so now we'll see this particular character in action. We'll add the running animation, set it up in the timeline, create the point B, and yeah, your character is ready to run. Now we'll see all the timeline-related features where we have camera, layer duplicates, and split options. So for an example, if you are creating a conversation scene between two people, then the camera will start rolling from far, and then the close of each of these characters. For this particular scene, let me set up a camera. Once clicked, you will see point A and point B of camera. Set it up like I am doing, and the magic. Now for the same scene, let's say the scene is of 10 seconds, then 5 seconds. Some character will speak and another character will be idle and vice versa. Now take your cursor on the 5th second and apply a split like this, and then you will enable the speaking, lip syncing accordingly from the controls after selecting the specific part. So here I am selecting this character with expression and lip sync, and I'll skip the other one, and then I'll set the other character with expressions and lip sync. Then you will simply apply changes, and then you will see that this particular character is speaking, and another is just standing idle. So this way, you will be able to create conversation scenes using your timeline-related features where there is split and duplicate and so on. Now, we'll see how to remove the green screen in Autodraft AI. You will simply find a green screen video from the internet. Then go to Assets and upload the video MP4. Now what I'll do is I'll add some characters and try to create a scene with it. So I've taken this particular character. Now I'm taking the idle animation. Then I'll add some expressions to it. I'll set the timeline according to my characters and the green screen. Let me add a fear expression since we have a tiger. So this is with the green screen. Now we remove the green screen. Simply click on the chroma key from the top and a green screen will be removed. Now we have a tiger properly set on the scene. Let us maybe add a background and see how this particular scene looks. So let me add this background. I'll just adjust the layer so the background will go at the bottom. Looks good, ain't it? Now, let us see how to add effects in Autodraft AI. To add an effect, I'll take one character and a background. I'll accordingly set it up on our timeline. Effects are very important in your animations to give it a more cinematic feel, right? So, I've added this, then you simply click on Effects, In effects, we have added multiple different options. There are fire-related options, there are lightning-related options, rain, and so on. I'm taking the fire one here. Effect is added on the timeline. You can increase and decrease the duration of it. So I'm increasing the duration for fire to up to 9 seconds. Then the next effect which I'm adding is of dust, or maybe a snowfall type. Now I'll set it up from 9 seconds onwards. So the fire effect will be there till 9 second, and others from 9 second onwards. I'm adding another effect. Another 2 effects, actually. One is of lightning, and another is rain or dust. I'll increase the duration for character, and the background, and maybe some duration for fire, to kind of overlap the effect. Now I am replacing my character's subsequent animation using a split feature. In split, I'm replacing the fear animation. I'll split and delete the last part like this. Then I'll add a subsequent animation of the same character, which is happy or cheerful because now it's raining. Right? So I'll choose this character. I'll take this particular animation, which will directly be set on the same character layer on the timeline. Let us see the effects in action now. All animations and videos are nothing without the background music. And guess what? We also provide a BGM library for you to use without any tension of copyright strike on YouTube. Click on music like this and you will find various options for you to use. Once you are ready with your animations, just click here to save the project and click on Download to download your videos in 4K, Full HD, and HD. Now that you are ready with your animated stories or songs or rhymes, it is time to rock the YouTube with a top-notch thumbnail. To create a thumbnail, set your characters on the canvas like this. Add effects if necessary, then click on Frame Options, then Thumbnail. Now click on Generate Prompt to write a prompt. We'll make some changes if necessary in my prompt. Then I will add a title for my thumbnail, then select a style for my thumbnail, and boom! Your top-notch thumbnail is ready to go. So, friends, that's all for today. As you have seen, making animated stories, rhymes, and songs is super easy with Autodraft AI, and the best part, they are easily monetized on YouTube. If you've learned something interesting from the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we will keep bringing more such videos. Start your YouTube journey now with
Autodraft AI.